This is a small review of the Montanus Delmonta, a TLR camera originally made in about 1954. I picked this up at an auction and thought it would be a good one to have a bit of a play with. The Velio shutter is capable of shutter speeds from 1/200th of a second down to about 1/10th of a second. It also has a board mode as well. It also has a screwed terminal to accept a cable release. The high shutter speed of 1/200th of a second is probably not that accurate anymore and may run a little slow, which can lead to some overexposure. I found on this one it wasn't too bad. So I started with the roll of Ilford FP4, which was good enough. The only problem I found is actually seeing the numbers in the indicator field at the back. That was a little bit difficult. When I moved to the phone pan, I seemed to be able to see the numbers a lot easier in the back and wind the film on a lot more accurately. I do use my mobile phone as a light meter just to try and get as accurate as a shot as possible. I would err on the side of overexposure slightly. In general, a good solid camera which produces some good results. I will be using this again on Southwold with a few other cameras which I'll be doing some reviews on and doing some longer exposures as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you come back and see other camera reviews.